LotaData. They worked with the Recreation and Human Services Department in San Leandro, and I'm going to introduce Apu Kumar, CEO and founder of LotaData, and Jeanette Dong, the director of the San Leandro Recreation and Human Services Department. Please come out.
Hi, good morning, everyone. I'm Apu Kumar, CEO and founder of LotaData, an alternative data startup that provides people intelligence to cities and local government.
I'm Jeanette Dong. I'm the Director of Recreation and Human Services for the City of San Leandro. And here's my story. I started about a year ago, and we employed a new CRM enrollment system. I was so happy because up until that time, I had zero data. And for all the department heads and agency leaders, public policy leaders, you need data to make good decisions. You know what to build and what not to build, and what to cut out, what to put in. So I was operating blind, and I serve our department thousands and thousands of people. At our peak, we serve 7,000 people a day. So I thought, great, new system, I get data. I was told bluntly by our account manager with my staff there, oh, I said, well, how can I manipulate this data? What kind of reports? How many cuts can I do? He told me I need to export it to Excel and manipulate it myself. I thought, what? You know, this is crazy. It's 2016. We can do better. So our Chief Innovation Officer, the timing of STIR was terrific, said, you need to write a proposal for the STIR program, and let's create a dashboard. So LotaData created a dashboard and an app so that they can attach to my already new enrollment system and pull in information from our app. This, as a result, has shifted our paradigm. And I'm going to let Apu tell you how he's doing that.
And so that's where we came in. 1 in 8 San Leandro residents engage with Jeanette's programs. Now, if you look at cities like San Francisco and New York, they are much larger. We estimate about 15 million programs and activities and classes are offered by cities nationwide, and about 40 million participants nationwide. These are very large numbers. But that said, there are no real easy ways to collect, analyze, and visualize the data that these programs are generating. And so we built an innovative technology platform that gives stakeholders like Jeanette exactly what they're looking for: deep insights and analytics about people. So that lets them do data-driven optimization of city programs and city facilities. In terms of what this looks like, if you look beneath the hood, we have many data collectors and data connectors. So we plug into the city's CRM systems. We have SDKs that are plugged into the city's mobile apps and third-party apps. We scan social chatter to look for relevant topics. And we also look at third-party data. So we'll pick up foot traffic and census and GIS data and things like those. Our machine learning and our location intelligence platform then does its magic, and the output is a very easy to understand Geo Dashboard. So the Geo Dashboard, which is a cloud-based dashboard, is the centerpiece of our platform. With this, Jeanette gets to see the enrollments, withdrawals, wait lists, and even revenue for every council district in San Leandro. So what you see here is council district number 3, and you'll see that the enrollments are high to the north and high to the south, but there is a void in the middle, and turns out that's an industrial zone. Jeanette can scan and search and filter by any of the 38 programs and facilities and parks in San Leandro. And Jeanette can also do this in a way that she gets to see the geolocations of the people who are engaging with her programs and engaging with the facilities. The filters also allow her to look at many different attributes, like demographics. She can look at the ethnicity, she can look at income levels, she can look at household size, language spoken, gender. And this allows her to optimize her program offerings for underserved neighborhoods or underserved communities. The Geo Dashboard also gives you a very detailed view into top 10 lists or bottom 10 lists so that Jeanette and her staff can compare the performance to their KPIs, optimize their budget, allocate resources, but all of this with a very data-driven approach. So LotaData processes over 1 billion mobile location signals each week, and we do this for our many customers on the private sector side. With the STIR program, and we are very thankful for STIR, we have now extended our platform, our technology, to address the needs of public sector and local government and cities. We are super excited about contracting with San Leandro. We're also talking to San Francisco and West Sacramento.
I'm going to have to close up, but I want to say that LotaData met with our city manager, and this system that he built a dashboard for is the predominant enrollment system in my business. It's a huge presence in the market. But meeting with the city manager and the assistant city manager, the first thing he said was, after he saw the presentation, is, "I'll buy it." So I think that's proof in the pudding. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you so much.